Crafting atmospheres, using settings to stir emotions in creative writing. Hello and welcome back to our series on elements of creative writing. Today, we will dive into a very significant topic: using setting to enhance mood and atmosphere. By the end of this video, you will understand the integral role that a story's setting plays in shaping the mood, influencing the reader's emotions, and providing depth to your writing. The setting is not just a backdrop for your story. It's an active element that contributes significantly to the overall mood and atmosphere. Mood refers to the emotional tone of a piece of writing, and atmosphere is the feeling created by the mood and the physical description of the place. When crafted effectively, your setting can become a character itself, eliciting emotions in your readers and enhancing their overall reading experience. To use setting effectively, it's crucial to provide detailed descriptions. Think about the sensory details. What can your characters see, hear, smell, touch, and taste in this setting? By describing these in detail, you can create a vivid, immersive atmosphere that directly influences the mood of your story. Consider a haunted house, for example. The creaking doors, cold drafts, and echoing footsteps aren't just there to paint a picture. They build an atmosphere of suspense and unease. Another powerful tool is to use the setting to mirror or contrast the emotions of your characters. If your character is feeling sorrowful, a gloomy, rain-soaked street could mirror their inner turmoil. On the other hand, a sunny, bustling park could create a stark contrast to a character's feelings of loneliness or isolation. Weather and time are two elements of setting that often play a substantial role in setting the mood. A story set during a stormy night is likely to have a different mood than one set on a bright summer day. The passing of seasons can also reflect changes in characters' lives and emotional states. Remember, a well-crafted setting is an essential tool in shaping the mood and atmosphere of your story. It helps your readers step into the world you've created and connect more deeply with your characters. We hope that you found this video helpful and are now excited to experiment with settings in your own writing. Until next time, happy writing!